In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name in Mailchimp email automatically. This is a simple yet incredibly powerful way to make your emails feel more personal, which can go a long way in engaging your audience. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just looking to enhance your email campaigns, I'll walk you through each step so you can implement this with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is the hub for all your campaigns, audience data, and tools. From here, look for the Campaigns section. You'll see it in the top menu. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Campaigns section, you're going to want to access all of your campaigns. To do this, simply select All Campaigns from the drop-down menu. This will show you a full list of your existing campaigns. But for this tutorial, we're going to create a new one. To do that, click on the Create Campaign button. You can't miss it. It's usually highlighted and easy to spot. After clicking Create Campaign, you'll be prompted to choose what type of campaign you want to create. For this video, we're focusing on email campaigns, so select Email. Next, you'll see a few options for the type of email campaign you can send. Choose Regular. This is the standard email type for most newsletters or promotional emails. Now that your campaign is set up, it's time to design your email. This is where the magic happens. Click on Design Email, and this will open the Content Builder. The Content Builder is where you can customize everything: your text, images, layout, and more. For the purpose of adding a personalized greeting, we're going to work with a text block in the Content Builder. Navigate to where you want the greeting to appear in your email. This is typically at the very beginning, but you can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your audience and message. Once you've decided, either select an existing text block or insert a new one. To insert a new text block, just drag and drop it into your email layout. Now, here's the key step. To personalize the email with your recipient's first name, you'll need to use a Mailchimp merge tag. In the text block, type the merge tag FNAME. This is a placeholder that Mailchimp will automatically replace with the recipient's first name when the email is sent. For example, if the recipient's first name is Emma, the tag will be replaced with Emma in the email. After you've added the merge tag, it's a good idea to test it to make sure it's working correctly. To do this, click on Preview in the top right corner of the Content Builder. From there, select Enter Preview Mode. This will show you how your email will appear to recipients, and you'll see sample data in place of the merge tag. If everything looks good, you're almost ready to send before you finalize your email. It's always smart to send yourself a test email to ensure everything is functioning correctly. In the preview mode, look for the option to send a test email. Enter your own email address or a colleague's, and then hit send. Check your inbox to confirm that the first name personalization is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added first name personalization to your Mailchimp email. This small detail can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your messages, creating a more engaging and personalized experience for your readers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.